today in the month of June 2024, and this is Monday. Price momentum, you know, most methodologies, most systems doesn't work as to how we've had a lot of people talked about it. But really, if you know your onions, you will definitely, I'm not saying compulsorily, you will definitely know what the market is saying. And as you can see, I took this trade just now. I just took this trade not quite long, just about 2-3 minutes ago. And I decided I would, quickly make a video about it. And like I've promised myself that the only thing that can give me consistency in this game is to, after every analysis, the next thing I should do is to make a live trade, put my trade live and live stream my trade so that it can give me a lot of comfort that yes, I was not mixing anything with anything. All right. So the importance, or the reason why I took this decision to buy GBP New Zealand, okay, let me close this, you see, okay, to buy GBP New Zealand was, if you look at it from the 4-hour time frame, you can see this was the decision I took, where I saw this area, okay, this level, which actually had turned into a zone. All right, it actually had turned into a zone, and I was thinking definitely price should look for an opportunity to go north. That is, the price should definitely look for an opportunity to gather a bullish momentum. Then if you also, and one thing about the 4-hour time frame, for me as a day trader, helps me to be able to get or define market structure. Okay, helps me to be able to define market structure. It doesn't work all the time because you have to know that there is no system, there is no method of trading that is 100%. All right, but you just have to know what you're doing. Try as much as possible to be a little below average. All right, then you will find consistency in what you're doing. So having seen this in the 4-hour time frame, this area, you can see 1, 2, 3, like 4, 5 times, the 2 times that it actually touched, but the rest 3 didn't actually go near. I'm not going to talk about these 2 here, this one and this one, because this is where I'm actually starting my analysis from. All right, now having looked or seen a market, find your market structure, then I'll always come back to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, now you can see this gave about 232 pips, and I'm actually also looking for the same here. Okay, that possibly one might also get this kind of trade opportunity like it did here, or even more. Okay, and another thing is that my stop loss, even though yes, I'm definitely going to allow my stop loss to be beneath here, beneath this level here, and it's going to be a reasonable level after this horizontal line at what is it, 2.06099. all right, that's where I'm going to set my stop loss. So you can see it's a whole lot of pips to lose if one market is actually going against me. All right, so 4 hours allowed me to get the market structure. Then the 1 hour helps me to find a balance of what the 4-hour time frame is actually saying. All right, helps me to find a balance. So I always in most times always look for a second leg, and this is my second leg here. So this is the 4-hour that determined this is the 4-hour that determined that maybe I was gonna look for a buy. Then this is the second leg that actually gave me, this opportunity to, take this trade. And now leaving that and also looking at a smaller time frame, you definitely see another leg, which is here. This is actually the third leg. Then all parameters, being set, I'm also going to, that means in 15-minute time frame, or maybe in the 5-minute time frame, then I'm going to, take the trade and, see, what it gives me. All right. I think that explanation, I hope I'll be able to understand this explanation that I've just given to myself, because the most important part is me coming back to this video maybe later in the day, later in the week, later in the year, or years after, to come and see what I did well or what I did not do well. Okay, so, and also remarks are also very welcomed, which is one of the important aspects of, me doing this that I am doing. Okay, so the order is to buy GBP New Zealand, and I also have some other trades that I am actually looking at, and once all the parameters are set, I am not, going to do anything against or outside whatever it is that I currently know. All right, so that keeps me in check. So which means if it is not it, then it is not it. So if it is not, if all parameters are not set, then that means no opportunity to, be given to myself, to look for any trade or any to be in any trade position or any order. All right, so what we have is a buy for GBP New Zealand, and I'll just be here for a little while, and let's see how it goes until I take my leave. Okay. And I know a lot of traders would have taken this trade from this area here, but all things being equal, I will always wait for all parameters to be set, okay, before any actual decision is made. Okay, and if it goes against me, that means I have to look for a reset or have to look for a trade opportunity elsewhere. And I'm not going to rush into, I think in this stage of my in this stage at this stage of my trading career, I think I should know what I'm doing, and that is what I'm actually doing, making sure that all parameters, everything is put into place, all boxes are ticked. Then you then take your trade. So expect your 20 pips, 50 pips, 100 pips in your favor. Take your trade, and yeah, you cash in whatever money you need to cash in, and then if it goes against you, you go back to the beginning, or you go back to your drawing board and set your trade or set your analysis or your methodology and check out or find out what happened or what didn't happen. Okay, so this video, I'm not gonna let it tarry, but I hope I am going to see another opportunity which will make me talk about this trade today. And if it does not, this is a live stream video that I'm making and I'm only making it so that it can encourage me and also encourage fellow traders or would be traders out there, okay, to know that forex is real and FX is never dead. Okay, And as it is, I'm also going to look at this from a very reasonable area, AUD New Zealand. So wherever it really wants to go, I think that is where we would allow it to go to. And price for AUD New Zealand is actually, maybe there may be a little, price, rise to the north, a little bit. I'm just, that's what I'm assuming. Okay, that's what my analysis is all about. And also GBP AUD. Yeah, I'm just, hoping that price will be able to break above, areas like this. But if it does not, still expect price to fall for GBP Australian dollar. All right, but eyes on the goal, which is GBP New Zealand. Okay, and that's what I am currently the forex pairs that I'm currently buying. I have eyes also on US 30 and also gold and silver. All things being equal, if all parameters are set, I'm going to take the trade. Anyways, guys, this is how far I can take this video, because there are other pressing needs that I still have to do. So GBP New Zealand, let's see how far it will go. I'm going to leave the trade and come back to it later. If possible, I might have another video made, but this may be another channel. Okay, yeah, this may be another channel, so which is what I am going to do. I'm gonna do that. This may be another platform, another social media platform, maybe on my TikTok. Maybe I'm just trying as much as possible to balance this. All right, and that's what we would do. All right, thank you, and we will see you later.